Hi kids, today we are reading a story, The Lion and the Mouse. Read the story and do the task below. One day, a lion slept in the jungle. A tiny mouse ran into his big paw. The lion woke up and roared, I'm sorry, lion, please don't eat me. The mouse squeaked. You woke me up, said the lion in a big voice. Mr. Lion, if you let me go, I can help you someday. The mouse begged. Ha, you are too small to help me. You are too small to eat. The lion laughed. Thank you, the mouse said and ran away. A few days later, the mouse heard the lion roaring. She quickly ran toward the sound. She saw the lion stuck in a big net. I will help you, lion, she told him. The lion tried to laugh, but he was sad. The mouse started chewing the ropes. Soon the lion was free. I didn't think you could do it. Thank you, the lion said. Check the message of the story. Be kind to others. You can't help if you're little. Lions don't like mice.